Taking the first step towards quitting smoking is like opening a door to a world of benefits. Imagine breathing deeply without coughing, tasting food like never before, and waking up with a burst of energy. These are just a few of the incredible rewards that await you on your journey to a smoke-free life. The advantages extend beyond your physical health, impacting your finances, relationships, and overall well-being. Quitting smoking is an investment in your future, both physically and financially. The money you once spent on cigarettes can now be used for experiences, hobbies, or even savings. Think about that dream vacation, a new musical instrument, or the peace of mind that comes with a healthier bank account. Beyond the tangible benefits, quitting smoking also brings a sense of empowerment and accomplishment. Overcoming this addiction demonstrates your strength and resilience, boosting your self-confidence and self-esteem. Finally, quitting smoking is a gift you give to your loved ones. By eliminating secondhand smoke, you create a healthier environment for your family and friends. Smoking is more than just a physical addiction. It's a complex web of psychological and emotional dependencies. Many smokers believe that cigarettes help them cope with stress, boredom, or social situations. However, this is a misconception. Nicotine doesn't solve these problems, it masks them, creating a vicious cycle of dependence. Understanding this trap is the first step towards breaking free. The physical addiction to nicotine is undeniably powerful. Nicotine receptors in the brain create a constant craving for the next cigarette. This physical dependence is what makes quitting so challenging. However, the physical aspect is only part of the equation. The mental and emotional connections to smoking are equally significant. Think about the times you reach for a cigarette. After a meal, during a break at work, or when you're feeling stressed. Breaking these associations is key to quitting successfully. Quitting smoking is a mental game, and preparation is key. Before you even set a quit date, it's important to change your mindset about smoking. Instead of viewing it as a pleasure or a crutch, recognize it for what it is, an addiction that is harming you. This shift in perspective is crucial for success. Start by identifying your smoking triggers, the situations, emotions, or people that make you want to smoke. Once you're aware of your triggers, you can develop strategies to avoid or manage them. This might involve changing your routine, finding new coping mechanisms for stress, or seeking support from friends and family. Another important mental strategy is to focus on the benefits of quitting. Visualize yourself breathing easily, enjoying physical activities without limitations, and having more energy. Imagine the positive impact on your health, finances, and relationships. Finally, remember that setbacks are a normal part of the process. Quitting smoking is a journey, not a destination. Nicotine is a powerful adversary, but there are ways to tame the monster. Nicotine replacement therapy, or NRT, can be a valuable tool in managing withdrawal symptoms. Patches, gum, lozenges, inhalers, and nasal sprays provide controlled doses of nicotine, helping to reduce cravings and ease the transition to a smoke-free life. Another effective strategy is to gradually reduce your nicotine intake before your quit date. This can help your body adjust to lower levels of nicotine, making the withdrawal process less intense. In addition to NRT and gradual reduction, there are medications that can help with nicotine withdrawal. Talk to your doctor about whether these medications might be right for you. The physical withdrawal symptoms typically peak within the first few days and gradually subside over time. Section 5. Setting the stage for success. Setting a quit date is a crucial step in your journey. Choose a date that feels right for you, not too far in the future, but allowing enough time to prepare. Mark it on your calendar and treat it like an important appointment. This commitment will help you mentally prepare for the change. Once you've set your quit date, start making changes to your environment. Remove all cigarettes, ashtrays, and lighters from your home, car, and workplace. Wash your clothes and clean your furniture to eliminate the lingering smell of smoke. Inform your family, friends, and colleagues about your quit date and ask for their support. Let them know how they can help you stay on track. Having a support system can make a big difference in your success. Section 6. Building your support network. Quitting smoking is easier with support. Talk to your family and friends about your decision and ask for their encouragement. Let them know how they can help you stay on track. Consider joining a support group, either in person or online. Connecting with others who are going through the same challenges can provide valuable insights, encouragement, and a sense of community. Sharing experiences and tips with fellow quitters can strengthen your resolve and help you stay motivated. If you prefer one-on-one support, consider working with a counselor or therapist. They can provide personalized guidance, help you develop coping strategies, and address any underlying emotional issues that may be contributing to your smoking habit. Professional support can be particularly helpful if you've tried to quit before and haven't been successful. Don't underestimate the power of online resources and communities. Section 7. Navigating the first few days. The first few days after quitting smoking are often the most challenging. Withdrawal symptoms such as cravings, irritability, and difficulty concentrating can be intense. Be prepared for these challenges and have strategies in place to manage them. Keep yourself busy and distracted. Engage in activities you enjoy, such as exercise, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. Distraction can help take your mind off cravings and make the time pass more quickly. Physical activity is particularly helpful as it releases endorphins, which can improve your mood and reduce stress. Drink plenty of water and eat healthy snacks. Staying hydrated and nourished can help alleviate withdrawal symptoms and improve your overall well-being. Focus on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. Remind yourself why you quit and visualize the benefits. Section 8. Replacing old habits with new. Breaking the habit of smoking involves more than just resisting cigarettes. It requires replacing old habits with new, healthier ones. Identify the times and situations when you typically smoked and develop alternative behaviors to fill those voids. If you used to smoke after meals, try brushing your teeth, chewing gum, or going for a walk instead. If you smoked during breaks at work, try chatting with a colleague, reading a book, or doing a quick puzzle. Finding healthy substitutes for your old smoking habits can help break the association between those situations and cigarettes. Explore new hobbies and activities that you enjoy. Engaging in activities you find fulfilling can help distract you from cravings and provide a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Section 9. Handling cravings and triggers. Cravings are a normal part of the quitting process. They can be intense and uncomfortable, but they are temporary. The key to managing cravings is to have strategies in place to cope with them when they arise. When a craving hits, try the 4Ds delay, deep breaths, drink water, and do something else. Delaying gratification can weaken the craving's intensity. Deep breathing can calm your nerves and reduce stress. Drinking water can help flush out toxins and improve your overall well-being. Doing something else, such as going for a walk or calling a friend, can distract you from the craving. Remember that cravings are like waves. They build in intensity, peak, and then subside. Section 10. Celebrating milestones and staying motivated. Celebrate your milestones along the way, acknowledge your progress, and reward yourself for your achievements. This could be anything from buying yourself a new book to taking a weekend trip to simply enjoying a quiet evening at home. Celebrating your successes will reinforce your positive behavior and keep you motivated. Visualize yourself as a non-smoker. Imagine yourself breathing easily, enjoying physical activities without limitations, and having more energy. Picture yourself enjoying the benefits of a smoke-free life. Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who support your decision to quit smoking. Avoid situations and people that might tempt you to smoke. Creating a supportive environment can make a big difference in your success. Section 11. Embracing a life of freedom. Quitting smoking is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing a life of freedom and making conscious choices that support your well-being. Once you've successfully quit, it's important to continue practicing the strategies that helped you get there. Maintain your support system. Stay connected with your friends, family, support groups, or online communities that encouraged you throughout the process. Sharing your experiences and successes with others can reinforce your commitment and inspire them as well. Continue to practice healthy habits. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, sufficient sleep, and stress management techniques are all crucial for maintaining both physical and mental well-being. These habits not only support a smoke-free life, but also contribute to a healthier and happier you. Embrace the freedom you have gained and continue to live a healthier, more fulfilling life without cigarettes.